Okay, today we will read about modifiers. Now, before we begin, let us understand what modifiers actually are. We'll start with the definition. Now, modifier actually is a word that provides information about another word in the sentence. What actually modifier is? A word that provides information about another word in the sentence. For example, the student sitting in the front row is asleep. Now, modifier actually tells which student you are talking about. Now, coming on to the definition of present participle modifier. Now, present participle actually is the ing form of a verb. For example, walking quickly into the room. The teacher started her lecture. Now, present participle modifier shows what teacher was doing. What she was doing? Walking quickly into the room. The teacher actually was walking quickly into the room. Now, coming on to the definition of past participle modifier. Now, past participle actually is the past tense form of a verb, often ending in either d or ed. For example, frightened by the doctor, the baby began screaming. Now, past participle modifier shows how baby felt. So, how he felt? Frightened by the doctor. Who? The baby. Now, moving forward, the first rule for modifiers. Be sure that the modifier points to a word in the sentence. Full stop. Don't let your modifier dangle. Now, coming on to the examples. Working hard, my test scores improved quickly. Now, this one will be incorrect. Now, what actually will be a correct modifier? Right answer will be working hard. We are talking about who working hard? I. So I will be close to working hard. I improved my test scores quickly. This one will be correct. Moving on to the second rule for modifier. Keep your modifiers as close as possible to the words they are describing. For example, I caught an elephant in my pajamas. Now the question will be how the elephant got in my pajamas. I will never know. So the right answer will be I caught an elephant while I was in my pajamas. Let us try few more examples. Written at the last minute, I only got a C on my essay. Again, there is a modifier error in this statement. So, the right one will be written at the last minute.
My essay. What was written at the last minute? Essay.
Only got a C. Coming on to more examples. I gave the computer to my friend that was always breaking down. Again, there is a modifier error in this statement. We are talking about computer that was always, and what actually it was always breaking down. The breaking down should be close to the computer. The right answer will be I gave the computer that was always then breaking down to my friend. One last warning. Don't let your ass dangle. For example, as a senior counselor, my paperwork is overwhelming. Again, there is a error in the statement. The right answer will be we can put a cross over here as the statement is incorrect. The right one will be as a senior counselor whom find I find. So who is senior counselor? I. The paperwork overwhelming. I hope you enjoyed modifiers. Thank you.